and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing Charlotte and Emerson's beauty bag. So let's check it out. Ooh. Okay, nice and big. The design is quite cute. I like that little pattern. The fabric can definitely get wet, so you don't have to worry about that. So you can hang this up when you get there, so you can see everything that you brought. And here on the bottom is a cute little pouch for whatever you need. But everything is connected, so it's an easy way to just pick up and go. So, oh, on the back there's a little extra pouch for you to store whatever you need as well. In general, just a really stylish bag where you can put everything, and it's super packable as well. And if you like what you see, please make sure to share and continue watching for more product reviews. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.